have to do that. All that's gone mouldy, as you guys can see here. So I'm gonna have to tip all that, which is great. God, that stinks. At least it's out of the way. Let's get it filled up again. We've just had the one of the warmest days in England, and I'd say probably elsewhere. And bless them, the birds have been a little bit unsure. I mean, I heard the blue tit earlier this evening, I should say. She came over at I think it was at 4 in the afternoon, something like that, or 4 in the evening. So yeah, and they normally perch around here, as you guys probably have seen in there through different past streams. And you know, it's nice to actually watch them do their business while they you know, come and visit. But you know, it's a bit of a shame that we just had some nasty water and the food rotted. Great. Could actually try and crush it up a bit. They do like it crushed up, not gonna lie. I'm a bit shocked that food got mouldy. So I'm going to be throwing that old food away. I'm going to keep the new one still, obviously, the sunflower seeds, but I'm going to get some more in town. I think I might do it tomorrow. I know it's going to be a little greasy with obviously my hands, but to be honest, I haven't got the patience to cut all of it up again and again and again, because when I did it last time, it took me about 20 minutes to cut all of it up, and this evening I haven't really got the patience, to be fair. Right, column's done. It makes sense why the birds haven't also occasionally been coming over, but I know that the blue tits have been more occupied with their chicks, fledging and teaching them how to do stuff. But it's nice to know that they occasionally would come over, and I know sometimes the robin comes over. I mean, hell, I've even heard it. Like when I live stream, I actually don't like leave it. I actually listen to what's going on. I actually make sure what's been like heard on my camera. So like I actually, like if I hear say like a blue tit, I'll immediately like mentally make sure what time it came over. So like I could like make like a little video of it, but at the moment I'm kind of focusing on more on my my audiobook. But also at the moment, in case you guys have seen my post, basically I've thought to give it a bit more time, because the audiobook, the AI I should say, basically messed up the system. So basically what I'm trying to say is the AI decided to basically not want to read it properly. Somehow it just decided to do it weirdly. I mean, you can hear it at the end of the chapter, and a few times it did that. So I'm going to make sure that I'm going to do it like in sections, like small sections, so you guys can actually hear what's been said and what's been done, and hopefully it should sound pretty good. Now, I'm nearly done with feeding this in it as well. So we're getting there, you know, we're getting there. Right, let's get some water. It's nice to have a bit of filtered water for the birds.